Mama always says don't judge a book by its cover, but with the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 36AP, what you see on the outside actually matches what's waiting inside. This Class A motorhome may be the smallest in the Allegro Bus lineup, but it absolutely makes an impression the moment you step in. Tiffin has a reputation for listening to its customers, and this floor plan is a perfect example of that. The 36AP is back because people asked for it, and now it returns with upgrades and features shaped by real owner feedback. Even though it's the most compact option in the lineup at about 37.5 feet, it's designed to feel anything but small. You still get a spacious, residential-style layout that comfortably sleeps 2 to 4 people, while being easier to drive and maneuver than larger models. Underneath, it rides on a PowerGlide XC chassis with a 450 horsepower Cummins engine, so it's got plenty of power for long trips. Once you're parked, 4 slide-outs open things up and transform the interior into a roomy living space. One standout feature here is the midship bathroom with dual entry, which is surprisingly rare in this segment and makes it much more practical for multiple people. Step inside and you'll notice right away how much attention Tiffin puts into design and detail. From heated tile floors and leather seating to custom cherry wood cabinetry, everything feels refined without being over the top. It's not flashy luxury for the sake of it, but more about comfort, quality, and thoughtful design that actually makes life on the road better. The layout itself is familiar, with the living area up front, kitchen and bathroom in the middle, and the bedroom at the back, but the execution is where it really shines. The living room can be set up as a cozy couples space with theater seating, or you can swap that out for a sleeper sofa if you want to bring guests along. Even the dinette is flexible, with options to suit your lifestyle. The kitchen is fully equipped for serious cooking, featuring an induction cooktop, a microwave with an air fryer, a dishwasher, and a full residential fridge. There's tons of counter space, and even a dedicated broom closet, which tells you this coach is built with long stays in mind, not just weekend trips. The bathroom feels just as residential, with a tiled shower, glass door, built-in seating, and plenty of storage. You can access it from both the hallway and the bedroom, which adds a lot of convenience. Speaking of the bedroom, it's designed to be a true retreat. You get a king-size bed, a massive wardrobe with smart lighting, a stacked washer and dryer, and even a second TV and fireplace. Storage is everywhere, from overhead cabinets to nightstands and drawers, so you won't feel limited on longer journeys. Outside, there's even more storage with large compartments and a pass-through bay that includes a slide-out tray to make loading and unloading easier. On the tech side, it comes loaded with features like hydronic heating, 3 powerful AC units, and a quiet diesel generator. New for 2026 is Tiffin's PowerDrive system for better handling, along with a digital control system that lets you monitor and manage everything from touchscreen displays. As for capacity, it's built for extended travel with large tanks for fresh, gray, and black water, plus a generous fuel capacity to keep you moving longer between stops. All of this comes in at a starting price of around $715,000, and that can go up depending on how you customize it. It's definitely a premium motorhome, but once you see what it offers, it's easy to understand where that value comes from.